Hobby Lobby.
What are we doing at Hobby Lobby?
We're getting paint.
Gonna get paint and we're gonna get canvases. And why are we getting that stuff?
To paint.
To create art. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it! Okay, so we're in the Hobby Lobby and we're gonna go find our supplies. Let's do it.
Yeah.
All right, come on. I'm looking for our supplies. Looking for the paint, looking for the canvases. Oh, you saw the superheroes. Which one's your favorite? Spider-Man and Black Panther. Let's see Spider-Man.
That one and that one and the Hulk and Batman, Flash.
Those are pretty cool. All right, sit down so you can be safe. All right, let's keep going. All right, we found the glue. Let's see which glue we should use. There's Gorilla Glue. There's so many different kinds of glue. Oh, we need glue that can stick rocks and glue that can stick sticks. Let's see which one we're gonna pick. All right, I think we picked a safe one because it says non-toxic and it says all-purpose. So is it gonna work for our project?
I think so.
All right, let's hope so. Ooh, that would be a good idea to glue some nature too. Which shape do you like the best? There's circle, rectangle, oval, more rectangle. Which one do you like the best? Which shape do you like? You like the little circles?
Yeah, in the big circle.
Well, let's see. This looks like it has, uh-oh. Oh, looky here. This has all different shapes. You want to get the one with all different shapes?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get that.
Like this too.
Yes. Okay, so we found the canvases. All right, Bubba, so are you ready to pick a canvas? All right, I think we should do the 8x10. What do you think about the 8x10? All right, let's do it. Perfect. Perfect. Let's do it.
Yeah. I want